Our photographer is here. I told you!
Get out of the car.
Yay! Say hey! This is Sarah! She's gonna take our pictures today.
Now?
No, you're beautiful and perfect. No.
No, I'm excited.
Yay! It's gonna be so fun.
There are spiders? Nice.
And I'm not sure if it's gonna storm.
Yeah, we're hoping for
I'm
no
not.
rain. We're hoping. We're
Okay.
gonna try to beat it.
But I mean, you know, we'll make it work.
We will.
Right? All
We
right.
have a cover for
I'm gonna live the rich life, full and best life. So if y'all know what I mean, put your hands up and declare with me. Yeah, I'm full of it. I'm gonna live the good life, beautiful and glorious life. So if y'all know what I mean, put your hands up and declare with me.
Don't I look so pretty?
Oh, don't even. No. No.
What else you want?
What are we gonna do today?
Take pictures
We are for what?
for vlogging.
For our channel that doesn't even exist yet? We have to start somewhere. Where's Brittany?
She's upstairs.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Dad, time. Dad.
Stop.
No, I'm serious. What kind? Just
a normal
What
hairspray.
does it look like? I don't know. Okay.
No, that's
What?
ridiculous.
No, I'm serious.
Alright, but just go get it.
Dad,
Yes.
can I have some cookies?
Yes. Eat this hot dog.
Goodness.
Two cookies.
So we're
2 cookies and give Hampton 2 cookies.
Okay. 2 cookies.
Bryn, you can't have 2 cookies. You're eating later today. Wings with us.
This one.
Hey. So we're getting ready for our pictures. And getting 5 kids plus a dog plus 2 adults ready for pictures is real fun.
Mom, this one.
Yes, that's the one.
I need to brush. Oh, can I have my hair down?
Huh?
Can I have my hair down?
Yes, but I just need to brush it. It's stringy.
It is?
Yes.
Nice. Oh, nice butterfly
Okay.
you got there.
Ew.
Thank you.
Sit now. Ready? Close your eyes. Close your
Where
eyes.
is the butterfly? Seb, tell me where the butterfly is.
Yeah, Oakley almost ate that butterfly off.
Good morning. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
We were watching TV and we didn't see her. She was eating a butterfly.
All right, which one do you
Oh
want?
my goodness.
Like, actually,
That dog eats everything.
Captain gave her.
Ready?
Wait, yeah, can I wear that one?
No. No, I want the other one for you.
No, that one.
Huh? Look,
How about Evie get Sebi going and ready?
I need to brush
Let me
this
go.
off. Look.
Look ready. Oh, she looks so cute. Look at me.
Ooh, pretty. Pretty.
Can you do hello?
Hello.
Bye. Hot dog.
Okay, now go sit and eat your hot dog, but do not get it on your dress. Got it?
Oh, good. Where's Oakley?
All right.
Where's Oakley?
Uh-oh.
Where's the dog?
That's gonna give me a lot of editing to do. Take off. Pictures made. That was horrible. Okay, what you doing? Oh. Put this on. Put this on. Put it on.
I really like that shirt.
You like it, boy? Hey, put it on.
Here. Oh, maybe. Come. Whoops.
Can you get it on? Do you need help?
Yeah, it's that way. Can't see my head now.
Where's Sebi?
I didn't need to know you did that. Yeah, I did that.
Woo!
Here, give me
Handsome
the
boy. I think we need to fix that hair.
We're gonna live the rich life. The rich life. We're gonna Here, you need help live
button
the OP life. No, we're not gonna live the OP life. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are we the rich?
Huh?
No, it's our last name. So.
Are we rich, he asks.
No, it's our last name.
So I'm gonna give some advice because we're new to vlogging, and as you can see, there's a difference. See, look, if I look up here, I'm not talking to our friends.
No.
No, we're talking to ourselves.
Yeah.
So, but if we look here,
Right.
our friends are in that little hole. Hi, friends. Right? So we look there. Sebi, we look there.
Right, it's that-
Right there. Your friends are in there.
Can
you say hi, friends?
Hi.
Right in here.
Look right in there. No, don't touch it.
What do you think? Okay, so, no. All right, so what do we need to do?
Nothing.
Let's finish getting ready.
Who's that? Catherine.
Huh?
Catherine?
Now remember, where do we look? We don't look here.
No. Wrong.
We look
We
here.
look there.
That's where our friends are.
That's not. Oh, that way is
All right.
We're vlogging.
So what about this headband, huh?
Okay, it's not really fitting me. It didn't really fit.
Do you want to wear it differently?
Can I wear my
no, because I
original?
like this one. What if you wear it underneath your hair?
Okay,
Hi, Catherine.
sorry. We're just
Okay.
talking about hairstyles.
So this is actually like an adult.
I have a very big head, I guess.
No, you don't, because it's kind of loose. So I think we're gonna have to make it go under. And get off your phone.
Well, she's FaceTiming Catherine.
We're playing Minecraft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, say bye, Catherine.
Mom,
Okay, I have to
Alright.
go.
Okay, so we do too.
No, we don't. Peace, you do.
Our photographer is here. I told you!
Get out of the car.
Yay! Say hey! This is Sarah! She's gonna take our pictures
Little camera
today.
shy now.
No, you're beautiful and perfect. No.
No, I'm excited.
Oh,
Yay! It's gonna be so fun.
There are spiders. Nice.
And I'm not sure if it's gonna storm.
Yeah, we're hoping for
I'm
no
not.
rain. We're hoping. We're
Okay.
gonna try to beat it.
But I mean, you know, we'll make it work.
We will.
Right? All
We
right.
have a cover for
We're on our way. We're in the car. We're on our way to get pictures, and the heavens are about to open. It's about to storm. But we're gonna get our pictures, some of the pictures made at the horse barn so we can take cover if it rains. But it is extremely humid. It feels like it's gonna storm. And I think I showed you earlier the clouds. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Peace.
Everybody look at Miss Sarah. Look behind me. Yeah.
Okay, it's about to storm, but we made it.
Don't run. Horses will
Not
find
even
out.
been buttoned. Okay,
I'm hungry.
it's a mess. Okay.
I'm on my way.